Good afternoon folks, Steve here at My Leisure Home, just about to do you a quick video tour of this holiday home come in. It's just had a brand new deck fitted to it with a ramp. It's sited already and comes with all the decking, as you can see. So will it be Salisbury, 2-bedroom, double glazed with electric heating. We'll take for a wander around it now. The decking all down the side and at the front as well. We come into the porch area of the front room. Separate dining area just here. Freestanding furniture, which is great, fits in nicely with the carpet. Little buffet there that matches all of it as well. It's in really good condition. Gas fire just there, and then a TV. The TV's staying, as are all the oddments. It's got blinds throughout, and then it's got a red curtains, etc. running throughout as well. Decent sized kitchen. Got a gas cooker with an extractor just above it, just there. There's your sink. As I say, it's just been newly double glazed as well. Fridge just there, and then all your bit ornaments and stuff like that to match. Master bedroom offers more storage underneath the bed, and then you've got plenty of storage room surrounding. Overhead storage, and then again we've got these drawers either side as well. Electric heating in all of the rooms, and then what we've got called a Jack and Jill shower room. So entrance into the shower room is via the bedroom and the hallway as well. Toilet, and then you've got your shower just here. Venture back out into the hallway. Nice wooden flooring, and then you've got a door at the rear of the holiday home as well. Guest bedroom. The door there has been taken off for the hallway. That can be put back on. Previous owners have just taken it off for easier access. So we've got 2 single beds, and then again plenty of overhead storage there as well. We've also got a cupboard just here as well. So this is it's situated on Croft Bank, which is a 10-month park. Site fees reasonable at just £2,540 per season. As I say, it's double glazed, electric heated, and site fees can be paid on a monthly basis as well, should you wish. So for any more information, please get in touch. My telephone number is 01754 252 889, or my mobile is 07425 77 30 30. A great feature about this holiday home is the porch area we've got just here. It's a private sale. We're selling it on behalf of the owner. They're just not being able to get over at the present moment due to ill health. So it's up for sale, and it's an absolute bargain at the price of just $13,995. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care, and bye-bye.